Hi there, my name is Bre Wolfe, and I'd like to welcome you to my site. I created this space to support people in their own process of awakening. My company is called Sacred Plant Medicine Journeys, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about our mission statement. We are here to act as conduits of life for planet Earth's healing and protection. We uplift and we heal everything around us as channelers of higher vibrations and frequencies. We protect all species on the planet, and we live and we play in harmony using ancient wisdom teachings and tools to clear anything that blocks the flow of higher light frequencies. We playfully help others achieve freedom, adventure, joyful health, illuminated personal transformation, and connection to their true essence. I found a streamlined way to help you connect to your divine nature. So please enjoy the offerings on my site. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. And please sign up for your free thank you gift. I look so forward to meeting you.